Hey, it's David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we got another little small unboxing for you guys. And this is the new, not new, but new Panamax M4315-PRO. So let's get this out of the box and show you a little bit about this bad boy. So we have a long power cord, manual, which gives us a MAC address code separately because you'll need that. What's different about this piece than your normal surge protector is that it gives you the ability to set it up to be controlled remotely off the network. And the reason why you may want to do something like that, so if you have a control system or you just want to be able to log in and monitor equipment, maybe reboot your equipment, this is a perfect way to do that. So I know a lot of people, especially when we're dealing with a custom rack, can be a little bit afraid of the racks. Clients not wanting to, touch anything, do anything with the rack, and we all know how bad cable boxes are, satellite boxes included, needing to be rebooted every once in a while, and even network needing to be rebooted. So Panamax has came out with some products, and this is one of them that we like to use. And this gives you some cool fancy lights in the front, let you know what's going on. You can reboot on a certain amount of switches at a time with this button here. And then it's got a display here that lets you know the voltage, a little readout there. This is a one space rack mount, so don't take too much space out of your racks. And on the back, each of these outlets is independently controlled. So what's really nice is once you hook it up to the network and go through the setup, you can tell it what's on each plug-in, cable box 1, cable box 2, satellite, Roku's, whatever you want, and you can remotely reboot that, if it needs a refresh, or this is a network item component of, like I said, a cable box, satellite box, and keep someone from having to go to the rack, find out where it's at, which plug it is. This makes it nice and clean, nice and easy. So one of the things we like to do, especially in big custom racks. So there you go. Nice and heavy. So nice, beautiful piece of equipment. Makes it super easy for all of our clients to be able to reboot items without having to get in the rack. We do control systems all the time. So putting a button on a touch panel that says reboot cable box, super simple. So something to think about when doing custom racks, and easy for the clients to use. So check us out next time. Subscribe, like the video. Peace.